State prosecutor Ari Hasselman opposed the granting of bail on behalf of the state, saying the court has a duty to protect everyone, including Chinese nationals. Hasselman argued the right to liberty as provided for by the Constitution can be suspended in some instances, and the charges against the two accused warrant such suspension. The state argues that the accused threatened to burn down Chinese shops and ordered their followers to burn or loot Chinese shops. The prosecution submitted that the testimony of Warrant Officer Lucius Nakanyala is admissible in court, although he was not present at the scene during the arrest, adding that the courts in the past have relied on hearsay evidence in successfully adjudicating cases. Chinese nationals who are equally protected by the Namibian Constitution, Hasselman says, fear for their lives and their merchandise, arguing that this is enough to deny Amushelelo and Dimbulukeni bail. Fundamental rights such as the presumption of innocence as relied on by the applicants is not obsolete, Hasselman says. The rule of law, the state argues, is in place to serve and restore order and justice for all and not to promote anarchy. He thus says the application for bail should fall on those and other grounds. Defense lawyer Nambili Mata and Kadila Amomo, however, rebutted the state's submission on whether hearsay evidence should be admitted. They added that the state wants the court to rely on hearsay evidence but failed to point out specific authority relied on and chose to rely on cases whose circumstances were clearly distinct from the point in limine. Amomo says it is not disputed that the protest at Chinatown was peaceful and protesters were unarmed. Hasselman, Kadila says, failed to spell out clearly how the administration of justice will be at stake if the two men are to be released on bail. The court should therefore consider the liberty of Dimbulukeni and Michael Amushelelo, Amomo and Mata submitted. Daniel Nadungi, NBC News, Windhoek.